Hello, my adoring fans. Today, you join me looking out over the sun rising over Lake Tekapo. It's something obnoxious, like 7:30 in the morning. Why? We're off on the bus again. So along the way, we stopped off at Geraldine, which is a town, which is obviously funny because that's Maddie's mum's name. Lots of bees in the cafe. So that was quite exciting. They had a tube. Also, you might be able to hear a little bit of a siren going on. Wasn't sure what that was. Thought maybe it was an earthquake alarm, but no, we were okay. So yeah, then we turned up. We have a 3-person room. We thought there might not be a third person, but there was. She's turned up now. Seems fine though, so not a big deal. So then Maddie and I went around the Botanical Gardens in Christchurch. So here you go. This is some weird contraption that I think more stuff is meant to spin, but maybe the water pressure is a bit of a dud. Now, I do remember quite a lot of this from last time I was here. It's one of the few things where, you randomly, get really good recollection of it. So it was fun walking around and seeing it again. The weather was a bit better than last time, perhaps. This is a rock garden.
Cool, okay.
Great stuff. Lots of rock. And this is the heather one, I think. But yeah, also there was this big tree, which I don't remember. So that was exciting. I mean, I assume it's still here. It's pretty big. But yeah, it was a good time. Botanical Gardens, I would say, better than the Wellington Botanical Gardens. Bit smaller, bit easier to get around, bit less hilly. Maybe less flowers, but I don't know. It seemed a bit more compact, a bit more good, But Christchurch is the second biggest city in the country after Auckland. So I guess it makes sense that the Botanical Gardens would be better than Wellington. Who knows? Disagree with me in the comments if you so desire. Then we went to a rose garden. Now this, Maddie confirmed, was definitely better than the one in Wellington. So,
here's a rose.
Yeah, she's of course actually also a rose. So that's why I made sure to include her head. And then we went on a little walk around town, and Maddie found this piano. The keys are unplayable, unfortunately, but it was cool regardless. I went to an earthquake museum for the recent 2011 earthquake, which cousin and stuff were involved in, and it looks pretty stressful, not gonna lie. So glad that he was there to do some medicing. Also, Maddie can try and make an earthquake, but she ain't got nothing on me. Look at this. Boom. Look at that. Look at those numbers. It's just off the charts. It's insane. But yeah, some deets. Feel free to pause or whatever if you are desperate. Little doggy outfit. They were very helpful, apparently. So well done, dogs, as always. I think this is like a steeple or something that fell off a cathedral. Pretty stressful, not gonna lie. And then these are base isolators, so these are how you can stop earthquakes being so damaging in the future. Anyway, then we want to go check out our next hostel, which we're moving to tomorrow, and the basketball court is literally right outside it. That was a coincidence, didn't know that. Saw a bit of the Berlin Wall, then found another basketball court with the heinous crime of the hoop being removed, even though it looks so nice. That was a bit disappointing. But yeah, then we had a Subway, and we got a bonus cookie. The guy gave us 3 instead of 2. Best day ever. Anyway, I hope everyone's having a good day, and adios!